Right. Chris, you happy?
Yep.
All right, where are we?
Okay, now we're in Greenlawn, but the bad news is that there's track work at there's track work going from
Huntington?
We got off at Huntington, now we're in Greenlawn, but the bad news is that we can't go any farther because there's track work, so we have to get off at Kings Park and we have to turn around.
Okay.
And we can't go to either Smithtown or anywhere else but Kings Park. And we only have Greenlawn, Northport.
Okay, should I cut?
Cut.
Chris. 12:04. All right. Chris.
So let me get this straight. We get off at Kings Park and then we gotta find the Huntington train.
We gotta go back.
And are we gonna ride on this to Huntington and then we have to get on the M7?
Probably. Right.
Alright. Well, this is our final stop until we have to catch another Huntington train.
Okay.
So that's bad. So we can go farther, but that stinking track work. Alright. This is our final stop, so I thought we could go farther, but I just realized that there was track work. Well, I found out that there's always track work here. It's not too good. Alright, so cut. Grandpa, what time is it?
12:15.
So, what time is it now?
12:15.
So it's 12:15? Oh, it doesn't matter. You know why? That train was going to Hicksville.
Was it?
Oh, it's just 12. Oh, it says,
All right. It says
more bad news. What time is it now? What time is it? 12:15?
right.
1:41 p.m. Huntington on time. 1:41.
Yeah. All right.
So we have to wait here like choo-choo, but I gotta pay.
Okay. Then we'll go to the thing and we'll pee. All right. I'm gonna cut.
Cut, please. Okay, so
Walk loud.
we are at the not the Hicksville, Kings Park now, and we're just waiting, and the 141 train is an hour away, so we're gonna have to stay here for a little bit. So, and the train next to me, the double-decker train, it's the biggest train that I've ever seen. So, pretty big, right? And the bottom level, all you can see is the track. On the top row, it's just like an M7. You got a perfect thing. You got a perfect scene. So, alright. And I'll give you more when the Huntington train comes. And cut.
He's having pizza. There it is.